को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे यूएस स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में। और यूएस स्टॉक मार्केट टुडे S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 trade flat as jobless claim decline and dollar struggle. Wall Street ends 2025 on subdued notes as nvda race on its 200 supply talk while most sector did. और आप लोगों ने देखा the S&P 500 opened nearly unchanged on Wednesday, trading close to flat as Wall Street's rapid up 2025 with muted activity. Net gain of our CEO Elliot Hill report recently buying about 1 million worth of share. Tesla trade in the green after Michael Burry said he was not short the stock despite having called it ridiculously overvalued earlier this month. S&P 500 ended 2025 quickly as sector slipped at 9:30 a.m. in New York. The S&P 500, Nasdaq 100 and the Magnificent 7 index traded near flat while all S&P 500 sectors opened lower. Communication materials and real estate led declines at 0.3% of less. Trader keeps risks tight after a low volume session tied to early holiday closure across global market. The benchmark stayed on track to finish a third straight year on double-digit gains. However, momentum softened late in December. The S&P 500 dips close to 0.1% early Wednesday. This move trims its 2025 advance to roughly 17%. The Nasdaq 100 slipped around 0.2%. Bespoke investment group flex thin holiday liquidity. It also noted the dollar set near its worst annual decline since 2017. This decline added another cross-assist signal heading into 2026. AI trade shifts from mega cap peak to peak and shovel winner. Trader pushed nvda up about 0.5% after clocks paired that the company approached Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing Kodak Global envelope ramping its 200 AI chips production. The move keep attention on the AI supply chain. It also saw investors spreading exposure beyond the largest technology names. Data store companies lead to the S&P 500 performance in 2025. Sonics source and Western Digital rank near the top. Demand for data center capacity State Farm portfolio manager tracks changing leadership inside AI-linked equities. Nvidia still gained around 40% in 2025. However, it is percentage advanced like several infrastructure beneficiaries that sold at Spring Global Investment said investor broaden our horizons beyond tech as benchmark stayed concentrated in pre-market move. Several Magnificent Seven stock edged down. Alphabet stood out as the strongest year-to-date performer in the group. Biotech swing metal volatiles and rate cut bed set 2025. आप लोगों ने देखा Single stock move reflected trading Vedant pharmaceutical surge after the US FDA approves. It is the motion sickness treatment predepends exomes Fabixia jumps after it is the Alzheimer's drug received priority review. Cursed therapist plunges after regulator reject it is the therapy for a form of high blood pressure. The decision widens the day biotech depletion. Silver Slit as CME Group raised margin on precious metal feature for the second time in a week. Volatile trading drops the sense and it takes effect after Wednesday close. New want slip as a meaning shares tracked the higher. Founding Trump's market also watched. Berkshire's Hathaway's the stock trade little sense on Warren Buffett's last day on the firm. In November, Buffett said he was going quit, ending a long public chapter. Microdata offered limited direction, although jobless claim surprised Inatel claims fell 16,000 to 1,99,000 in the week. Treasuries held steady with the 10-year yield at near 4.7%. The dollar flexes after a run of gain, while Bitcoin traded near $88,500 after settling into a board post-crash range. Oil stayed under pressures into year-end and into 2026. Brent held near $62 a barrel as traders weighed higher supply and near Trump's OPEC plus focus. Roberto Scolet at Singular Bank said manager revisions to the benchmark. He added that his base case keep the bull run intact, though he expected more volatility and the mid-single digit returns going forward. और आप लोगों ने देखा, सब लोगों से डिस्कस कर रहे हैं यूएस स्टॉक के बारे में और यूएस स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में, जो मार्केट हालांकि S&P 500 एंड नास्डैक 100 ट्रेड फ्लैट एज जॉबलेस क्लेम डिक्लाइन एंड डॉलर स्ट्रगल। आप लोगों ने देखा है अच्छे से, जो S&P 500 इंडेक्स 2025 क्यूटली एज सेक्टर स्लिप और नास्डैक 100 एंड द मैग्निफिसेंट 7 index trade near flat, while all S&P 500 sector open lower. Communication, material and real estate lead declines at the 0.3% or less. और जो traders keep risks tight after a low volume session tied to early holiday across global market. The benchmark stayed on trade to finish a third straight year of double डाइट गेंस। मेरा जो वीडियो है प्लीज़ थोड़ा शेयर और सब्सक्राइब, लेटेस्ट वीडियो बनाने के लिए मेरे चैनल से जुड़े रहिए। थैंक यू।